I tried other treatments, non-laser type of treatments, like applying lotions, taking care of my skin, having good sleep, I read and heard about the technology that it's very fascinating. There's very little. It's able to solve my problem within one treatment. So it's a very new kind of technology that got my interest. It's 2 weeks, and for the last 2 weeks, been observing my skin lately. This moment is an exciting moment for me to have a look. Yeah, I don't see visible patches. It's brighter and more cleaner, and as a result, I feel more confident. I must say that they did a pretty wonderful job. Yeah. The field of experience was better than expected. There is a visible difference. I was able to see what was the before and after, and definitely is worth a shot for anybody interested to know more. Yeah.